Welcome to the Craft Box Girls studio. We make the magic happen every day with crafts and do-it-yourself projects. But today, I decided it's time to take a break, and I am challenging my team to the ultimate craft-off. I've split our craft squad into 2 teams, and I'm challenging them to create the ultimate trunk party in the back of a Toyota Highlander. It's time to pick your themes out of the magical unicorn box.
Okay.
What do you got, Maria?
Lemonade.
All right, and Hope?
Looks like I'm carnival.
All right, guys, so here is the deal. You each are going to get $100. You've got to go to the craft store, the grocery store, and design the ultimate trunk party in 4 hours. And then we've got 3 special judges that are going to come in to see who wins the golden car. All right, you've got 10 minutes right now to put your plans together, and then it's time to hit the road.
Cupcakes.
Different flavors.
I'd like a table
Hot cocoa. Open over here.
Straight down sticks and meat or put gold.
Time's up, guys. Drop your pens. I hope you're ready. Each of you gets a brand new Toyota Highlander to use for the day, and you're going to create the ultimate trunk party in the back of that Highlander. All right, first stop is the craft store. Let's go. All right, so we got to put in our navigation to the craft store. It's so nice out today. Let's make sure we open this moonroof. All right, let's go. All right, guys, we are at the craft store, so you don't have a lot of time, so shop wisely. Got it. All right, they've been shopping long enough. Let me text them a 5-minute warning. Clock is ticking. Let's head back to the office and meet the other team and start designing the trunk parties.
Let's go.
Who's gonna win? We are! All right, so here's the deal. You've got 1 hour to make your crafts, design your party, and make your food, all right? Ready, set, craft! Very special judges. Come on, judges. All right, so I've got Trent, who is TV producer extraordinaire, one of my favorites. We've got Ava, who is a triple threat. She's a crafter, dancer, and model. And how cute is she? And we've got Tanya, female entrepreneur extraordinaire, also one of my favorites. All right, guys, on the count of 3, you're gonna pop your trunks and get started. Are we ready? Ready. 1, 2, 3, make!
Do you need a table first, maybe? I think we're gonna use that.
I'm liking all. There's a lot of pops of color here. I'm enjoying all this. It's like very summery, very excited. What kind of cupcakes do we have going on?
We have red velvet.
Amazing.
OMG. They have a power outlet in the back.
They have a power outlet in the back.
And that's how they're gonna warm up the hot dogs.
That's genius.
Yeah. A party is not a party without party lights. I love the lemons.
You really make a lot of use of your tablescape. Yeah. Like you fill it.
It must be filled with fun, just like a circus is.
Yes.
All right, guys, so what were your favorite parts of each?
And I love the trunk of the lemonade stand.
Me too.
Looks so inviting.
Right, you just want to sit and hang out, right? Yeah, right?
Yeah, that lemonade stand, it had such a great color scheme. I think they just rocked the details.
I know, but you know what? I really love that the carnival was thinking about family and kind of that experience and having fun together and recycling.
And the glow in the dark day and night.
I know, day and night.
Lots of wins.
Lots of wins. All right, guys, I think we know who the winner is, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's take that trophy and let's go award it.
Okay.
Go, guys. All right, guys, it is time to announce the winner of the Ultimate Trunk Party Craft Off. Judges have made a decision. Trent.
Well, the Craft Box girls, you brought your A game today, okay? We love your Toyota Highlanders, we love your setups, and it was a tough decision. One of you was so detail-oriented, loved the color scheme, loved everything about it, and another one was very family fun, all the elements. They really just, they took us there.
They were amazing.
But Ava has your ultimate winner.
All right, Ava.
Okay, so the winner is Carnival!
All right, guys, good job. All right, Lemonade Stand, you guys did a really good job, too.
Almost a time.
All right, we created 2 awesome parties. That means we've got to enjoy them, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's party, guys. Yay, good job, guys. You guys have some really good treats. All right, guys, every party's got to come to an end, but you guys sure did an awesome job at creating the ultimate trunk party in your Toyota Highlander. Good job, guys. All right, but it's time for me to go home to my sweet baby girl and my hubby. All right, let's pack it all up and hit the road.